Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll dive into best rocket money features to review monthly expenses. So just a breakdown. If you want a clear and simple way to understand where your money goes each month, Rocket Money gives you tools that makes expense review fast and painless. The spending overview automatically group your transaction into familiar categories like groceries, bills, dining, and entertainment, so you can instantly see which areas are taking the biggest chunk of your budget. Another great features is monthly snapshot, which shows your income, your total spending, and how it changed compared to last month. That makes it easy to spot trend without numbers crunching. Combine this with budget alert and subscription tracking, you will catch wasteful expense early and tweak your habits before they grow. And that's how you can easily review your monthly expense. And if this helped you, like the video, subscribe for more simple money tips, and comment which expense you would like to review first. And that's it.